it to me.
You do not?
Yes, I do.
What are you talking about? Well, if you do that, you do.
I can't do this.
You know what you're going to do by doing that? You're going to put holes in your jeans.
I already have one.
I spent $30 on those jeans.
The balloons.